Hello and welcome to the Practicing Academic Integrity section of the You Belong series. In this video, we'll discuss what different forms of plagiarism are and how to identify them. To understand what plagiarism means here at York, it's important to recognize that plagiarism is a socially and culturally constructed idea, so what constitutes plagiarism depends on your contexts. In some instances, memorization, or copying text word for word, is acceptable or even expected. For example, a calligrapher or a scribe copies their original text exactly to ensure no meaning is lost. However, in the context of academic writing, the emphasis is less about memorizing writing that came before, and more about exploring your own ideas as an author. Academic writing focuses on agency and authorship. Your professors want to know that you understand the scholarly landscape of your field and can take existing writing and use them as evidence to support your own original ideas. In academia, the idea that new writing draws on existing text to create something new is called intertextuality. Being able to carefully weave existing ideas into your own work is a difficult skill to master, so it is important to understand which ideas are your own and which ones come from someone else. Where some students get in trouble is when they confuse or intentionally misrepresent someone else's ideas with their own. This is plagiarism. In general, there are three types of plagiarism to look out for: cheating, non-attribution, and patch writing. The rest of this video will focus on what these terms mean and how to identify them. The most obvious form of plagiarism is cheating. Cheating happens when someone intentionally misrepresents someone else's writing as their own. This includes things like buying pre-written papers or copy and pasting entire works from other authors and passing them off as your own. Plagiarism can also take the form of non-attribution. Non-attribution means copying someone else's idea or writing without giving them credit in the form of a citation or reference. Sometimes students unintentionally plagiarize in this way because they are unfamiliar with academic writing or do not know how to properly cite their sources. If you find yourself unsure if what you've written is plagiarism, it is always better to oversight rather than undercite. While oversighting may be incorrect, it is better than facing academic penalties over a mistake. The last and trickiest form of plagiarism to identify is patch writing. Academic Rebecca Moore Howard offers a helpful definition of patch writing. She describes it as copying from a source text and then deleting some words, altering grammatical structures, or plugging in one-for-one synonym substitutes. While patch writing can be a useful tool in helping you learn how to write in an academic style, it should never be used as a final draft for an assignment. If you are feeling anxious about whether you've plagiarized, remember that there are all kinds of help available to you. If you have questions about your writing, the Writing Center can help. You can also always go to the library's website at library.yorku.ca and click on Ask a Question so you can connect with the librarian. Thank you for watching.